Oh, look at that ducks. The way they walk like you are.
Because by law you can't run them over.
Yeah. Oh my God. That's too. Ah, right there.
There are more coming.
More pa. There.
There's still coming.
Yeah.
Look, there's still more coming over there.
Oh,
Look all the way over there. Like a migration.
Yeah. Wow.
It's still coming.
Oh. Wow.
This is coming from over there. That one up about the leg.
Oh my God, Pete, baby duck.
They're waiting for each other too.
Social, di ba guys? Social ang mga ano dito.
Stop traffic.
Like this stop pa ha? Like, this is our territory.
And don't rush to either.
Sila guys, ang dami nila so far.
Stop in the road too, man.
He's waiting. I think 4 or 5. Yeah. Ducks, my love.
Hi.
Yeah. Oh my God, guys. Nakikita natin ang
business over here.
Yeah. Wait. All right. Oh my God. Anak, oh. Anak, baby. Look, oh, the window. Oh my God, mga ducks, guys.
That's what they're always doing over here, huh?
Yung anak ko.
Hey, no wonder they're always over here, huh?
Oh yeah, right there, oh. Bird, ducks anak, that's ducks. Ducks, baby.
Ducks?
Yeah, ducks.
Let her out.
Let her out. Wait, I have seatbelt. Just let her out. It's mga ducks, guys.
The security guards.
Oy, they're going to. They're waiting to stop the car. Look at the ducks, anak ko.
Then we'll go around and get them going across the street, guys.
Yeah, that's not.
Let's be careful. We're gonna go around and catch them across the
Duck,
street.
anak, ducks. Ducks, baby. Huh?
So then we're gonna catch them going across the street.
Yeah. Naglantaw sila.
Look in rows too.
Where?
No, in a row. Look at the baby ducks are growing up fast too. You can't even tell the babies from the mama now.
Where are they?
They all look like they're all grown up.
Ah, yeah.
The ones with the white feather in the tail. The babies.
Excuse
a
me.
bit smaller. They grow fast.
Yeah.
Look at the water. No wonder they're always over here. Free fun.
I got the baby gun.
Yeah. Put it up so we can go watch them crossing the street. Come on.
Okay.
Yeah, we can pick. Come on.
Alright, there pa.
Yeah, we're gonna drive around so you can watch them crossing.
Okay, let's go. Oh, they're crossing na.
It can't take too long. Alright.
Yeah.
Come.
What's up?
What's up?
Just get them. I'm ready to cross the street.
Yeah, I know. I got it.
So you get a good shot. All the cars stop. The baby ones are the smaller ones. You see them?
Mm-hmm.
It's a nice picture and traffic stop for them.
Yeah.
This is a lucky day.
Yeah.
Only in America.
Yeah, welcome to America.
Stop.
Wait. Nangisog naman.
Come on, what's wrong with him?
You say, they're too slow daw.
Yeah, well, I mean, I don't know, he's not in a hurry.
Oh.
Wow. Ducks anak.